We talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Mario Kart app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Mario Kart app, or just click on search, then here add Mario Kart. So add add here Mario Kart app, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on full stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.